In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drafts in Moosend. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a campaign, work on your email content, and save your progress safely as a draft so you can revisit it later without losing any changes. First, from your Moosend dashboard, begin by creating a new campaign. Go to the Campaigns section and choose Regular Campaign. This is the standard option for most email sends, and it's perfect when you want full control over your message, layout, and audience. Starting here sets you up with the right workflow for building and saving drafts as you go. Once you're in the campaign editor, you'll choose a template or start from scratch. Templates are great for speed and consistency, while a blank canvas gives you maximum flexibility. In the editor, design your email by adding text, images, buttons, and sections. Think about clarity and hierarchy. Use headings, short paragraphs, and clear calls to action. Keep images optimized for quick loading. Add alt text for accessibility, and make sure links go to the correct pages. If your brand has a specific color scheme or font style, apply those to keep everything on brand. As you work, consider how the email will look on mobile devices. Concise copy and stacked layouts usually perform better on smaller screens. Now, while you're editing, or right after you make changes, move your cursor to the top menu and hover over the Update Campaign and Continue button. Don't click it yet. When you hover, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This is where Moosend gives you additional options beyond just moving forward in the setup. From that drop-down, click Save as Draft. This action stores your current design into the draft history, preserving the exact state of your email at that moment. It's a reliable way to lock in your work, especially if you're experimenting with layouts or testing different versions of your content. Make it a habit to save as a draft whenever you finish a chunk of work. Think of it like creating a checkpoint. That way, if you change direction later, you'll still have a safe version to return to. That's it. You started a regular campaign, designed your email, hovered over the Update Campaign and Continue button, and selected Save as Draft to capture your progress. Use this simple flow anytime you're building emails in stages, collaborating with a team, or just want the peace of mind that your work is safe and ready for the next editing session.